Hey, it's your girl Trilly with a new video for you guys. I'm doing a pretty little thing haul because I never found one for people that's tall like me or curvy. So, quick backstory, I'm like 5'10". I'm really 5'9.5", but let's get into it because I don't do well with introductions. Here we go. Bye. So this first dress is a rust knitted sleeveless bodycon dress. I got it in a size extra large and I am torn. Those are some flat shoes I got from Pretty Little Thing also. They were on sale and they were really cute. So that's me remembering to put them on right now. But back to this dress. Like, it's really nice. It hugs the shape. It's very short. As you can see, I'm like keep messing with it, but I don't know. I don't have on a girdle or anything like that, so maybe I think I might feel better if I had on like a waist trainer or something. Yeah, look at me. But it's a very cute dress. It's lightweight. It's a soft knit feel. I give it like a 7 out of 10, to be honest. And for me, I feel like I would keep having to pull it down because it's gonna keep riding up, and I don't like that. Yeah, it's not really my favorite. Now this baby, this is super cute. Okay, I couldn't wait to try this on. This dress is the pink abstract mesh dress. It's a cute button-down dress. It's lightweight. I don't think you would get too hot in it. It has a good stretch also, and it doesn't ride up as much as the previous dress I just showed. It buttons all the way from the top to the bottom, and I feel like you can do a lot in it. It's cute. You can move around, breathable. It's lined with like that black lining there, and the sleeves are like the sheer print of the dress. But overall, I'd give this dress like a 9. And this dress being a size 16, I feel like if I did a 14, it would fit a little better, but then it would really ride up on me. And again, my legs are long, so I have to take consideration for these things. But overall, super cute. What do you think? Where would you wear this dress? And with what? Now, this is the same dress, but in a different pattern. This is a zebra print, but it's the same mesh print dress, and this is also in a size 16. I was attracted to this type of dress style just because it's something for the summer, maybe into the fall, definitely for vacation, and I just wanted to see what it was like. Again, it's basically like a mini dress on me, but it doesn't ride as much as I thought it would, and the material isn't as hot as I thought it would be. But overall, it's pretty adjustable in terms of the buttons, depending on the bra that you wear. I just have on a simple bra today, but the sleeves are long enough also. Like, I don't have the, long arm, short sleeve thing. And yeah, so you see me walking away, it doesn't really ride up. That's usually a problem I have with this big old booty, but we love this. Which pattern do you like better? Do you like the multicolor, or do you like this green zebra dress? Let me know, because I think I'm leaning with the green. Zebra is looking real hot right now. Now this little bad boy right here, I was surprised at how well this fit. So this is a stone high neck cutout bodycon dress, like a side cutout bodycon dress. Yes, you see it. I really like this. And this is a size 16 also. I feel like I could have did a 14 only because this air bubble situation on the side, and it's not really hugging. Again, this is just me, raw body, just giving what it's giving. Even if you wore like a waist trainer with this, because of the side cutout, you'd probably see it. So unless you maybe had like a high waist panty or something like that, or just suck it in, but whatever. I look good. I do like the fit of this dress though. Size 16, it's good, but you see like in the back here, I do have like the air bubbles or whatever. This dress didn't really roll up either or inch up in the back, which I appreciated. And it looks cute with these boots. I love it. And the whole mock neck situation and half sleeve, super, super, super cute. Yeah, I really enjoyed trying this on. And it's also like a nice, soft, cottony feel. What else? I don't know. You see, I can't stop looking at myself. Holding the arms out. How would you guys style this? Would you wear it with boots or sandals? I think this will look good with some nice thigh highs. Yes, yes, yes. All right, now on to the next one. Now this was a sheer top and a faux leather skirt, okay? It's a black coated denim extreme mini skirt, and the top is like a black sheer knitted detail top. It's about to be fall. It's like September right now. And I just wanted to, start having something lightweight that could carry me over. And these are Fashion Nova jeans, but I just wanted to show y'all how it would look with a skirt and with jeans. And yes, this is giving very much Sons of Anarchy, motorcycle baddie. No, let me stop. But the shirt is perfect. Lightweight, any bra, if you choose to go no bra, we love that too. And the skirt, it's very cute, very comfortable. Again, my biggest thing is having dresses and skirts ride up on me because of my butt and my long legs. If y'all agree, like or comment below. The skirt is a size 16. I feel like I maybe could have even did a 14 for that too, because it's very stretchy and I can tell that as I wear it, it's gonna do its thing as it loosens up. The shirt is a 16, but that's perfect. I could even probably do a 14 for that because the sleeves, they're definitely long enough. That's one thing I also am concerned about. See how me holding my arms up? Is that sleeves are never long enough, and the bottoms, they're never, they just roll up on you. But this is super cute. Definitely concert ready, date night ready, just pumpkin patch ready, whatever you want to do. But yeah, both are size 16 and both are super cute. The Fashion Nova jeans are also a 16, and I'm very surprised these fit so well because they didn't have as much stretch. Like me, I either need a belt or I have the back of the back gap in your smaller, your lower back. I have that thigh, that gap thing, which I hate. But these jeans fit pretty well. And as you can see, the shirt complements it well also. And you see all this extra fabric, I definitely could have done a 14 in the shirt. So go me. But overall, it's a great fit. And I see me having a lot of cute photo ops with all of these things. And yeah, stretching out, lifting my legs, moving around. These pants are actually very easy to move in. They don't really feel restrictive or anything. And these are, like I said, one of the Fashion Nova pair of jeans that don't have as much stretch. So I was a little nervous that I wouldn't be able to like really fit into them the way I wanted to. Now, let's go to the next piece. These are some honorable mentions of the wash split hem jean. They fit so well. They were long enough, very chic and stylish. And yes, I went to see Serena, y'all. It was super magical. I will say though, on that first wear, it was real hard to be sitting down. Like I felt like I was gonna bust. But after wearing them for a little bit, they definitely loosened up and it gave what it was supposed to give. I loved them. This t-shirt dress though, size 14, the model looks so different. She looked very snatched and gathered, and this just looked real casual. Like, it was cool for what it was. Like, yes, I'm definitely serving in this photo, but it wasn't as tight as I wanted it to be. So yeah. Now for this surprise bonus content, yes, you see my excitement. These are actually from Mina Monroe. This is her summer fringe collection, and I am so hyped I was able to snag a pair because sis always sells out. Now, that is the soft mocha and the lemon lime pants. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, now these are the over top fancy fringe. The mocha is in straight leg and the lemon lime is in wide leg. The lemon lime is also a size extra large, and the mocha is actually a large. A lot of her things, some of them go up to large, maybe some extra large, so I was a bit iffy on if it would fit me and, you know, all this ass, like Victoria Monet would say. But yeah, I'm play too much. Look at me swirling them. These pants, they're such a hit, like absolute favorite. You're gonna love them. I actually messed up the recording and didn't even record, but y'all see a quick glimpse of the lemon lime. Super cute. And they fit pretty well, like very well. I love them. And here's the large. So the biggest thing I would say, the large, you kind of like where the crotch part is, it's probably a little bit more noticeable, although it's still like a perfect fit. So the large fit me well and the extra large fit well. And yes, when you wear these pants, y'all just gonna want to shimmy and shimmy all over the place because yes, babe, y'all see them. They look so, so cute. Thank you, Mina, because these are my vacation pants, summer pants, whatever pants. I'm wearing them with some flat sandals, but I don't know. What would y'all wear them with? Let me know down in the comments, okay? Oh, yeah, and yes, they have pockets. We love pockets. But yeah, I just can't stop shimmering in these pants. And I'm so happy that the large versus the extra large actually fit. And they look, I mean, to me, they look a bit the same. But I would say, yeah, in that crotch area, you could see the lemon lime was a bit more relaxed. Yes, it's just like hypnotizing, all the fringe. And they don't shed as much. I actually have another color, which is the Cantaloupe Creamsicle, which I'll show you in a moment. And the shedding is a minimum, so you don't have to worry about like leaving a gingerbread trail with whatever. And yes, look at this creamsicle, super duper cute. Y'all have to try to get your hands on these pants. Like, you see, boomerang with the shimmy shimmy, love it. But yeah, that was my haul. Let me know what you think. I'm super tired and sweaty. I'm about to eat some food. And yeah, show me some love in the comments. I can't wait to see what y'all think. Bye.